Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and I'm going to talk to you today about commercial property market trends and forecasts, navigating the evolving landscape. The commercial property market is a complex and ever-changing beast. Understanding current trends and forecasts is crucial for investors, developers and businesses alike. This video will delve into the key factors shaping the commercial property market today, providing insights to navigate this dynamic landscape. The current landscape, a post-pandemic reshuffle. The global commercial property market has undergone a significant transformation in recent years. The COVID-19 pandemic fundamentally altered business operations and work models, impacting demand for various commercial spaces. While some space sectors like office spaces face challenges, others, like warehouses and logistics facilities, thrive due to the surge in e-commerce. Geographical hotspots. Despite the global nature of the market, certain regions are attracting significant commercial property investment. Here are a few noteworthy areas. Asia Pacific. This region is experiencing robust economic growth, making it a prime target for investors. Major cities like Shanghai, Beijing and Tokyo continue to be hubs for commercial activity. North America. The United States remains a dominant player in the commercial property market, with key cities like New York, Los Angeles and San Francisco attracting significant investment. Major European cities like London, Paris and Frankfurt offer established commercial markets with strong infrastructure and a skilled workforce. The office space conundrum. The shift towards remote work has cast a shadow over the future of traditional office spaces. However, the demand for office space hasn't entirely vanished. Instead, it's evolving. Businesses are seeking flexible, collaborative workspaces that cater to a hybrid work model. Economic indicators shaping market valuations. Several economic factors significantly influence commercial property valuations. Here's a closer look at some key players. Interest rates. Rising interest rates can make borrowing money for commercial property investment more expensive, potentially leading to a decrease in property values. Inflation. Inflation can erode the value of future rental income, impacting investment returns. Economic forecasts regarding inflation are crucial for market analysis. Investment volume trends. The overall volume of investment in the commercial property market reflects investor confidence and can signal future market trends. Supply and demand dynamics. A healthy balance between supply and demand is essential for stable market valuations. An oversupply of vacant properties in a specific sector can put downward pressure on prices. Innovation and sustainability, redefining the market. The commercial property market is embracing innovation and sustainability. Green buildings. Investors are increasingly prioritizing environmentally friendly buildings with energy efficient features and sustainable construction practices. PropTech. Technological advances are transforming property management with automation, data analytics and AI-powered solutions. E-commerce influence. The rise of e-commerce has boosted the demand for warehouse and logistics facilities, while bricks and mortar retail spaces are adapting to changing consumer preferences. Urban planning. Government policies and urban development initiatives significantly impact the attractiveness of certain commercial areas. Understanding these plans can be advantageous for investors. Forecasting the future, a crystal ball for investors. Predicting the future of commercial property market is no easy feat. However, by analysing current trends and economic forecasts, we can make educated guesses about what to expect. Short-term versus long-term. The short-term market might experience some volatility due to post-pandemic adjustments and global economic uncertainties. However, the long-term outlook for commercial real estate remains positive, driven by urbanization and global economic growth. Post-pandemic shifts. The hybrid work model will likely continue to shape office space demand. Businesses will prioritize flexible work environments that cater to a mix of in-person and remote work arrangements. Identifying stable opportunities. Investors should focus on sectors with strong long-term fundamentals, such as logistics facilities, data centers, and well-located mixed-use developments. Market analysis and professional forecasts. Consulting professional market analysts and credible forecasts can provide valuable insights into specific sectors and geographical markets. By staying well informed about current trends, economic indicators, and innovative developments, investors and businesses can navigate the ever-evolving commercial property market with greater confidence. Remember, the key to success lies in making informed decisions based on comprehensive understanding of the marketplace. If you have any sort of property to sell or would like to rent, do not hesitate to call me, that's Alan, on 07539 141257 or 0333 224 1257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141257 or +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@scoop.com. Cheers for now.